In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Twilio for my clients. We'll walk through creating a clean, separated space in Twilio so you can manage communications on behalf of each client with clarity, control, and accountability. Start by logging into your Twilio account and heading to the console dashboard. Make sure you're using an admin-capable login so you have access to account management features. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Invite Teammates option and click it. This is where you can securely add collaborators later without sharing logins. You don't have to invite anyone right now, but it's good to know where this lives because it keeps access organized and auditable when you're ready to collaborate. Next, navigate to subaccounts. Subaccounts are the secret to managing multiple clients under one main account while keeping numbers, usage, logs, and billing separation tidy. Click into subaccounts, then choose Create Subaccount. Twilio will ask for a name. Type in something simple and clear like client, or use a naming convention that matches your internal tracking. Consistency helps when you're juggling multiple client projects and need to find things fast. After naming it, click Create Subaccount again to confirm. Twilio will spin up a dedicated environment for that client, separate from your primary account. This separation is useful for permissions, isolating resources, and simplifying reporting and invoicing. It also makes troubleshooting easier because all activity for that client is grouped in one place. From here on out, you do everything for the client inside this new sub-account. Think of it as their own mini dashboard within your master account. Any numbers you purchase, any messaging configurations you set, and any integrations you connect will live in this client-specific space, so nothing overlaps with your other work. Finally, whatever you typically do in your own main account, you'll do the same within the client's sub-account. The workflow doesn't change, only the location does. If you're used to setting up messaging services, configuring voice routing, or connecting applications, you'll follow those same routines here. Just make sure you've switched into the correct sub-account first. A quick tip, double-check the account switcher before making changes to avoid configuring the wrong environment. And when you're ready to collaborate, return to Invite Teammates to grant access with the right role so activity stays secure and trackable. That's the process. Log in, open Invite Teammates for later collaboration, create a sub-account, give it a clear name, confirm, and then manage everything for your client inside that dedicated space. This keeps your operations clean, scalable, and professional.